Every part has their main function in plant. Today I am going to talk about the function of leaves. Before discussing the function of leaves, let's discuss the leaves. Leaves is the green part of the plant in which plant prepare their own food. Why the leaves is green? Because the leaves is green because the presence of chlorophyll. Let's come to the function of leaves. The function of leaves are manufacture of food, transpiration, gaseous exchange, storage of food, and the last one is vegetative propagation. Let's discuss each in detail. Manufacture of food. Do you know photosynthesis process? Photosynthesis is a process in which plants prepare their own food during the presence of chlorophyll in sunlight. So the chlorophyll is present in the leaves. So the leaves is responsible for manufacture of food. The second one is transpiration. Root have a small hairs which called root hairs. Root hairs absorb water from the earth and it transport to the leaves and leaves it transpire to the environment during a small holes which is called stomata. The third one is gaseous exchange. Photosynthesis is not only responsible for preparing food, it also prepares oxygen. And leaves, they need a carbon dioxide and give to the environment oxygen. The fourth one is storage of food. In some plants, leaves are modified to store the food. And when it stores the food, the leaves become thicker and fleshy. For example, onion. And the last one is vegetative propagation. In some plants, leaves are modified to buds. And buds, it's become a new plant and develop a new plant. For example, propellum. This was all about the functions of leaves. Thanks for watching.